Good morning, Pete here. Bloody Mary aficionado and field correspondent. We're headed into the Rainforest Cafe for some breakfast and give it a try. Good sized coffee. Good sized Bloody Mary. Chips on top. It's pretty good. Not too spicy. I just realized I'm not eating breakfast alone. I have a friend. He's not very confident. This looks pretty good. Flatbread, a lot of stuff on it. Pretty good size. It's a good breakfast pizza. It's just flatbread, but there's a lot of egg on it. It's pretty good. I think it's going to be filling. It's a good choice other than normal breakfast stuff. So breakfast was good. The Bloody Mary was very good. It was really loud in there, but I think you need to expect that if you're going into the Rainforest Cafe. The coffee was pretty good. The breakfast pizza was very good. It was one of the best breakfast pizzas I had. So I think the prices were a little bit lower than what you would get at dinner. So if you really want to go to the Rainforest Cafe and you don't necessarily are too late to rope drop one of the other big rides, it's a good option to go to. The portion sizes look pretty good for some of the other dishes. The steak and eggs look like a pretty good size from what I could see, and the waffles look pretty big. Looks like a good place to get a good filling breakfast before you head into the parks. There were only 2 alcoholic drinks on the menu. Bloody Mary wasn't super spicy, but it was good, especially with the chips on top. It was kind of dead in there right now for breakfast. Service was a little slow, but I think they were probably short-staffed. Everyone was running around like crazy, but it was good. I can recommend the breakfast. It's good. Well, this is Pete signing off. Thank you, everybody.